Hello friends, I'm Shama Fatima Rizvi from Stories with Shama एंड टुडे आज मैं आप लोग को अपनी लाइफ की एक स्टोरी बताने वाली हूँ, जो कि मेरे जो चैनल है उसी का नाम स्टोरीज विद शमा है। और आपको पता है कि हम जो बच्चे हैं, हम 74 की पैदाइश है, 70s के हैं, 80s 90s। हमारा जो हिंदी मराठी जो है ना, वो फोर्थ से स्टार्ट होता था, इसलिए हमारे को लिखने में हिंदी मराठी में प्रॉब्लम है, बोलने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो इसलिए मैंने ये स्टोरी थोड़ा इंग्लिश में लिखा है और होप आपको पसंद आए। आप प्लीज़ कमेंट करके मुझे फीडबैक ज़रूर दीजिएगा अगर आपको पसंद आए, और नहीं भी पसंद आए तो भी। सेकेंडली, नेचुरली मैं कुछ रीज़न से यूट्यूब पे आई हूँ। मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी कि मुझे पैसे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे मुझे दोनों चाहिए। मैं नेचुरली इस एज पे जब मुझे टाइम मिला, पहले मैं बस सिंगल मदर थी, तो मेरे पर बहुत ज़िम्मेदारी थी घर की। मेरे पास टाइम नहीं था कि मैं अपने लिए कुछ भी कर पाऊँ। अब माशाल्लाह सब कुछ ठीक है, बच्चे बड़े हो गए, तो वक़्त है। तो उस वक़्त में मुझे बड़ा शौक़ था कि मैं कुछ अपने लिए करूँ, खुद के लिए करूँ, जिससे मुझे कुछ अर्निंग्स भी हो जाए, ताकि मैं आगे की अपनी जो लाइफ़ है उसको अच्छे से जी पाऊँ और किसी के आगे हाथ फैलाने की मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़े, प्लस मेरा शौक़ भी पूरा हो जाए। सो इसी इंटेंशन से मैं यूट्यूब पे आई हूँ। होप आपको मेरा जो भी स्टोरीज़ है पसंद आए। प्लीज़ गिव फीडबैक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, और प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए। ये स्टोरी है, उसका नाम मैंने रखा है द ईयर आई डिड नॉट सेलिब्रेट ईद। वो साल जिसमें मैंने ईद सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया। इट वॉज वेरी हॉट समर डे। आई वॉज गोइंग टू टीच इन स्कूल स्टैंडर्ड फोर्थ। Just after school, I would go to teach in tuition. It was the best time of my life. मेरी ज़िंदगी का बेस्ट टाइम था। Although it was very tiring, क्योंकि स्कूल सुबह में पूरे घर का काम, इतनी सैलरी नहीं थी कि मैं कोई सर्वेंट अफोर्ड कर पाती। सुबह में पूरे घर का काम, फिर उसके बाद स्कूल, उसके बाद ट्यूशन, क्योंकि ज़िम्मेदारी इतनी थी, बच्चे पढ़ रहे थे, फीस देना था, हर चीज़ मुझे हैंडल करना था। तो मुझे ना चाहते हुए भी ट्यूशन लेना पड़ता था, क्योंकि मेरे पर बहुत ज़िम्मेदारी थी। इट वॉज़ द बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ माई लाइफ, लेकिन मेरी लाइफ का बेस्ट टाइम था बच्चों के साथ। छोटे छोटे मासूम बच्चे, जो बाद में मैं सोचती हूँ ये बड़े होके क्या क्या बनते हैं, लेकिन जब वो छोटे होते हैं वो एक ब्लैंक पेपर की तरह होते हैं, राइट। तो उनके साथ अपना टाइम डालना मजबूरी थी, लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। और ये जो टाइम मैंने स्पेंड किया है मुझे बच्चों के साथ, मुझे सचमुच बहुत अच्छा, वो टाइम मेरा बेस्ट गोल्डन पीरियड रहा है। तो आगे स्टोरी बढ़ाती हूँ मैं। इट वॉज द बेस्ट टाइम ऑफ माई लाइफ, ऑल्दो इट वॉज वेरी टायरिंग। बीइंग विद चिल्ड्रेन नेवर मेड मी फील ओल्ड। Their smiles, and whatever I would start with any topic, they would start with their own topic. Sometimes it was true, and many times it was imaginary. बच्चे खुद के इमेजिनेशन में रहते हैं, उनको एक आप बता दो कुछ चीज़ तो वो खुद ब खुद बाकी स्टोरीज अपने से बनाने लगते हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे। बट आई नेवर लाइक टू ब्रेक द इमेजिनेशन। दिस एज ऑफ चिल्ड्रन आर द बेस्ट, सो मच फुल ऑफ लाइफ। After my separation, yes, I can call it separation because I did not have an official divorce. I still remember after I spoke the truth about my husband, he had sent me a letter which stated, I am giving freedom to Shama Fatima, daughter of Nawab Hussain, on my brother's address. Freedom? Freedom for what? Okay, let's move forward. On my brother's address, which made my brother cry, but I felt nothing. I did not want to go to him, which I was doing last 13 years. I still have the letter which promised to so many things he wanted to give me. House, per month some money, as I had three children. But they were all fake and fuck. Nothing I had got. I had to work very hard without just seeing my own life. I just to keep on working the whole day, नाइट एंड डे, पूरी रात रात के जितना भी टाइम कंज्यूम कर सकती, जल्दी उठना, घर की देखभाल करना, पर प्लस बच्चों को भी इस तरह करना कि बच्चे बिगड़ ना जाएं, राइट ना, जो माहौल है। These children which always curse me, yes, to curse me, to bring them into the world, and I was always blackmailed by them. Yes, blackmailed to get the best thing out of me. You know, our samaj, our community, our societies always want us to be quiet. They always give advice to keep quiet. Our days were different from now. Girls were burned during my time. We had so many news in newspaper that because of dowry, the girls were being burned. Tezab, the acid was being thrown on their face because they said no to some relation. And it will also they were also beaten, means that is I'm talking about domestic violence. Even for a small thing, if there was a not salt was not put in a dal, that was those days. Now it is now, well, everything has changed. It's not the same now what we have gone through. Okay, so well, I had just want to tell you about that one day when I was not well and I had fever. The day was Friday, and usually in my area, shops are closed on Friday. I was in search of some good doctor, but all the dispensaries were closed. After a long search, I saw in one corner a dispensary was open. Her name was Dr. Shaina. Although I did not visit her, but I needed some medicines, some tablets for my fever to come down. So I stepped into a dispensary, a cute girl with a smiling face full of positivity. She asked me some questions about my health and gave me a prescription and guided me how to take the medicine. She asked me, "Are you the auntie who has a YouTube channel?" I said yes, and I was very happy because she has recognized me. She had not many patients that day, in spite I was the only one. She told me about her childhood. She told me, "Auntie, my mother was a household helper, and my father used to drink because of his bad companies. He had some bad companies, that is why he started drinking. So my mother had taken all the zimmedari of my upbringing." She said that my mother took the zimmedari to bring me up and put me in a private English school. Although she faced bad behavior from my father, whose evening would be in drinking and nights fighting. She worked damn hard, and in our struggle days, I asked her to bring a Chandni dress, which was very famous dress. They had no money, but they both went to the area bazaar to just to do window shop. That gave them a good feeling. बिकॉज व्हेन समटाइम वी गो फॉर विंडो शॉपिंग, हम लोग जाते हैं ना ऐसे बाज़ारों में, तो हमको शॉप सिर्फ चीज़ सामान देखने में ही कितना मज़ा आता है। लेना तो ठीक ही है, लेकिन देखने में बड़ा मज़ा आता था। बिकॉज हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं होते थे कि हम सब चीज़ की शॉपिंग कर सकें। मदर प्रॉमिस मी दैट शी विल मेक एक्स्ट्रा चपातीज एंड कलेक्ट सम मनी फॉर हर ड्रेस। So we went to a shop and saw a beautiful dress and thought to ask the shop uncle the rate so that they knew how much to save money. They went to ask the shopkeeper who was sitting in the shop how much was the rate of the dress. The uncle shouted so badly, right, with red eyes, loud voice, when why are you asking? You will not be able to buy anything. You are just coming to waste my time. Just go from here. We both were embarrassed. We could not face each other. For some time, we walked to a long distance, speechless. Maybe he was judging us by the dress we wore that day. My mother worked hard, wanted to bring that dress for me, but 2 days before, my father was not well due to the alcohol consumption. He was admitted to hospital, and my mother's saving was spent on his hospital bills, and she had taken some other monies from other people also. We did not celebrate Eid that day. While others in my area celebrating the Eid, I did not get any Chandni dress that Sri Devi wore and my Chandni bangles. I was so amazed when she spoke these words to me. I was so amazed because as now she was sitting in front of me on a chair as a doctor with an MBBS degree, which even money and status cannot buy. I was curious to know her journey and asked her to tell me about her struggle. She said she passed 10th with her good marks and get good admission in the reputed government college, and then they never looked behind. And now she is a reputed doctor and working for a reputed hospital. We Now she is very satisfied with her journey, her struggle. Okay, so I walked back from her to tell her one more story to my students how a strong girl who never give up. that is Dr. Shaista. I walked home smiling that the next story I have got to tell my students not to give up because we have got in our life people like Dr. Shaista. Hope you like my story. Please give me feedbacks and please encourage me because I am also very new and old also at the same time, very old with all this मैं बहुत ओल्ड, मुझे सब टेक्नोलॉजी इतना समझ में नहीं आती है, लेकिन जितना समझ में आती है मैंने कोशिश किया है क्योंकि मुझे भी कुछ करना है लाइफ में। अल्लाह ने पैदा किया है तो कुछ ना कुछ हासिल भी करना है। आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, कमेंट्स करिए और शेयर करिए। होप आपको मेरी स्टोरी पसंद आए। बाय बाय।